going on.
Oh, you're going to the vet.
I don't know if he got food up inside there and it rotted, or got sunburned and it got infected.
They're going to find out.
Good job.
They'll find out. They'll get it. So.
Yeah, he's going to have a $400 day at the vet.
Oh, yeah. You know that. Hi, sweetie. What are you scratching? All of a sudden you weren't scratching, now you're scratching? Come here.
That's something. Is this your doggy? Is that your doggy?
You want to play?
Yeah. Her aunt? Maybe that's her aunt. Aunt Hannah. That's Aunt Hannah. Oh, Suki's like, this is funny. What is this about? What are you guys having a ball off there?